Welcome back to the channel. My name is Gordon Frayne, and today we're diving into a tutorial video for how to buy crypto on ByBit. Before we jump into the content though, you can now grab a free copy of my book, The Rise of Bitcoin, in the description below. Click on the link. It's the first link in the description. You'll be able to download a free PDF copy of the entire book, so you're going to want to grab that right now. As always, if you enjoy the video content, please make sure to smash the thumbs up button below, hit that subscribe button, and hit the bell notification icon as well. We're dropping videos pretty much every single day on the channel, so you're going to want to get notified when they drop so you can hit your crypto goals. So, jumping into today's video, how can you buy crypto using ByBit? ByBit is one of the world's leading centralized exchanges. It does a huge amount of daily volume, and we're going to show you exactly how you can do it. So first things first, there are a couple of prerequisites. Obviously, you're going to need to have a ByBit account. So you're going to want to come over to ByBit.com, and if you don't have an account already, you're going to want to click on the register button and create a new account. So if we go to ByBit.com here, what you want to do is click on sign up. What you then need to do is enter an email and a password and create a strong password, or you can log in with Google or Apple if you already have a Google or Apple account. Once you do that, you are going to be redirected to their website where you will have to do a couple of things. The first thing you need to do before you can actually buy crypto is complete the KYC AML identity verification. So again, with most centralized exchanges, you need to do an identity verification with your national ID or a driver's license in order to get verified on that exchange so you can actually deposit funds and buy some crypto on it. So again, I've already done it in this account, but you will get a notification in the top banner here. You won't be able to miss it because you won't actually be able to purchase crypto until you do the identity verification. But basically, you need to do that, add your documentation. It only takes an hour or two for it to process. It only takes 2 minutes for you to add your document, and then you'll be able to actually add funds into your account. So the first thing, once you do your KYC AML and you're all verified, you obviously need to fund your exchange account. And there are a couple of ways for you to do that. Obviously, you can see the big orange deposit button at the top of the screen here. So if we click on deposit, you'll notice that there are a couple of ways that we can actually do deposits. The default option here, it's going to ask you if you want to actually deposit a cryptocurrency. So this means that you can send crypto, whether it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, Binance Coin, HBAR, etc. You can send that from a different exchange account or a different wallet, whether it's a MetaMask wallet, a Trust wallet, a Coinbase wallet, etc. You can send crypto from another wallet directly into your ByBit account. So if you choose the token you actually want to deposit, for example, let's say it's USDT, the next thing you need to do is choose the chain or the network that you're going to use to actually send that particular currency. So again, if you're using ERC20 with Ethereum, it's typically going to have the highest gas fees. You might want to choose something like AVAX or BSC. They typically have much lower transaction and gas fees. So you would choose the chain that you want, you acknowledge their terms and conditions, and then it gives you a wallet address that you need to copy, and then you need to enter that into your sending, from your sending wallet. You enter this wallet address as your destination wallet, and you use it to send and transfer funds into your ByBit account. As always, it's always a good idea to send, $1 to $5 first to make sure that you've entered the wallet address correctly. Send a very small transaction, make sure that it actually arrives into your into your ByBit wallet, and then you can send a larger amount, whether it's a few hundred or a few $1,000s, but you want to make sure that you do everything correctly. Send a very small transaction first, followed by your main transaction, so that you can be sure that your funds arrive successfully. There is an option to do a fiat deposit as well. Of course, if you don't want to send money or funds from a different crypto wallet, maybe this is the first time you're ever setting up a centralized account or a centralized exchange account, or setting up your very first crypto wallet, you can deposit fiat. It is worth noting that you will need to select the specific currency that you want to deposit, whether it's US dollars, for example, and then it's going to give you options for depositing that particular currency. So for euro, for example, we can do a SEPA bank transfer, which means we will get the details of the bank account to send funds into for ByBit account, or you can also do using a third party to actually execute the transaction by going and continuing and setting the amount that you actually want to deposit. So there is multiple ways that you can deposit funds into your ByBit account. If you click on the one-click buy option here as well, this allows you to basically deposit funds, again, let's take euro as the example, into your ByBit account using a credit or debit card. And again, if you wanted to purchase, let's say, €1,000 worth of, or let's say €100 worth of Ethereum, you can use your euro balance if you have funds in your account already, or you can use Apple Pay, Google Pay, or a bank card, for example, to execute the transaction. Again, this will be the most immediate way to get funds into your account from your bank, but this does typically come with a higher transaction fee. So again, you're going to get a little bit screwed over on the transaction fee or the exchange rate here when you use a credit card to process the transaction. However, if you need to get funds into your ByBit account in a very quick manner, this is the best option. So they are the few ways that you could actually add funds into your ByBit account. You can send it via crypto from another wallet. You can send it via a bank transfer, whether it's a wire transfer or a SEPA transfer, or you can use a credit or debit card to top up your account. So 3 different ways that you can add funds into your wallet. And then once you add those funds, if you come over to the assets area and go to funding account, you will see those assets in your funding account wallet here in ByBit. So again, we're going to show you exactly how to buy crypto with ByBit. And the next step in the process is to actually purchase a cryptocurrency using the funds in your ByBit wallet. So you can see here that we've got $34.53 worth of USDT. And the easiest and the most efficient way to actually execute a purchase of crypto within your ByBit account is to use the convert function over on the right hand side here. So you can see there's a number of different actions that we can take with our USDT. We can deposit more, we can withdraw this, we can buy, earn, transfer, sell, or convert. The convert function is the most simple way to actually purchase any other cryptocurrency on this exchange. So if we click on convert, it brings us over to the conversion tool. We know that we've got $34 worth of USDT. And again, you select the cryptocurrency that you want to purchase from this dropdown. You'll see and you'll note that ByBit, as one of the world's largest leading centralized crypto exchanges, has hundreds of different cryptocurrencies available on their centralized exchange. So you can find a pretty wide and varied selection of different tokens that you can purchase. For the sake of this example, we're going to use HBAR, and we're going to basically use our $34 to purchase $34 worth of HBAR. So if we type in $34, we can see here that that's going to equal about 308 HBAR. If we click on get quote, it's going to show us the actual amount that we will get from making the conversion. It shows us that we've got about 10 seconds to make a decision. And if we click on confirm transaction, that's going to actually process our conversion and execute the $34 into 308.81 HBAR. So we can see that we also paid 0 fees to do that because we used the conversion function. And if we click on the view assets button, it's going to redirect us back into our funding account wallet here in ByBit. And we can now see that we've got 308 HBAR in our account, which we just purchased using those 34 USDT. And we've got the ability to, even convert HBAR into something else if we wanted to. So that is the easiest and the most simple way to actually purchase crypto using ByBit. If you use the trading tools or the margin trading, there's a whole bunch of different options here in terms of being able to trade and buy crypto on ByBit for more advanced users. But the easiest option is basically to fund your account with Bitcoin, Ethereum from a different wallet, or fund it from your bank account using a bank transfer or a credit debit card purchase, and then use the convert function to convert that into your desired cryptocurrency, whether it's HBAR, XRP, Solana, whatever it is. You use the convert function, execute the transfer, and you've got the funds in your wallet. So that is it. That's a quick tutorial on how to use ByBit to purchase crypto. As always, if you enjoyed the content, please make sure to smash the thumbs up button below. Make sure to grab your free copy of The Rise of Bitcoin using the link in the description below. As always, please smash that subscribe button. We're on the road to our first 10,000 subscribers. It would mean the world if you subscribed, and hit that bell notification icon so you can get notified when we drop new videos. You're going to want to get notified every time we drop a video, pretty much every single day on the channel, so you can hit your crypto goals. As always, we'll catch you in the next one.